morning all. Today I'm going to work on the interior, which means first things first, I'm going to install the shitty old steering wheel, the boss kit first. So just giving it a bit of a clean now. I realised I didn't have WD-40, which is friggin' annoying, but a bit of degreaser. It's taken quite a lot of gunk off it. Let's see how the good old nut goes now. Definitely getting stuck there, so alright, I'll give this bad boy a go. I'll have to try and line it up really nicely so I don't mess it up. Okay, I got a bit gun shy of doing it in the cabin, so I'm giving it a test run out here. First time I've worked with one of these hex dies. They're for chasing threads, so it seems to be working quite well though. Spin to the right. I'll keep going a bit further. Alright, fingers crossed I can do this one without threading it. This one looks in better condition, but and it has a starting point which I can get this bolt on a little bit of the way, so that should hopefully help me chase the thread from there. But famous last words. Alright, let's give it a whirl. Got some leftover grease. I think that came from Mad Dad at some point. Grease this up a little bit. A little bit more. Anyway, tell me if this is right. For some reason I feel like this shouldn't be the case, but I'm going to stick this on. Alright, so that's going to come off soon anyway, because I'm still going to have to put the indicator stalk on, the ignition barrel, and the cover for this, but this will do for now. And at least I can steer the car when I want to move it in and out of the workshop, so I can actually get a bit more room around the edges. Not too bad. Cool. And just for those that don't know, this is the boss kit that I have fitted. There you have it. Oop. I've got a Momo prototype that I'm going to fit, so that'll look better than this, but this is a start. Alright, looks good.